So we just got a protein skimmer. Looking forward to setting it up. Essentially, it takes the water down below and pulls it up, and it bubbles. It gets bubbled from this little bubbler here, and the bubbles give surface area, I guess, to the proteins, and then the proteins get lifted up, and then the water, the fresh water, comes out down here. So it does the job of skimming. It creates a surface for the protein to be skimmed off, and then you just take this top part off and clean it when it's necessary. So it's a pretty neat system, and it's a lot of complicated stuff all in one kind of compact unit here. So I thought we'd show it off before we put it together. Oh, and then the plug for the pump is just a standard 2-prong. Pretty long cord too, so wherever you're going to set this up behind the tank, you got plenty of room for the cord to get to an outlet. Alright, so that's the protein skimmer, and that's how it comes, and when it's all ready to go, how it works. Hope this helps.